Jeep concepts for Moab. Next chapter for Connor. A win in Gainesville. All right now on FCA Replay. It's a rite of spring for Jeep fans, the Easter Jeep Safari in Moab, Utah. The Jeep and Mopar brands flex their creativity for this event. This year, there are 7 new concept vehicles, honoring the Jeep heritage while looking toward the future. The concepts are Jeep 4-Speed, the latest exploration of ways to reduce weight. Jeep Sandstorm, inspired by Baja racers and powered by a 6.4-liter V8. Jeep B-Ute, a Renegade equipped with a variety of Jeep performance parts from Mopar. Jeep Wagoneer Roadtrip, a classic 1965 Jeep Wagoneer with modern updates to the chassis and drivetrain. Nacho Jeep, a blueprint for off-roaders with the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon and Jeep performance parts. Jeep Jeepster, a Wrangler Rubicon with Jeep performance parts and a classic Jeepster two-tone graphic theme. And Jeep J-Wagon, a premium-styled Wrangler Sahara that's at home on the trails and in the city. The Connor Avenue Assembly Plant in Detroit, the home of the Dodge Viper for more than 20 years, is becoming the Connor Center and will house the company's collection of concept and historic vehicles. For now, Connor Center will be used for internal company purposes and gatherings. The historic collection could be opened up to public tours in the future. Memorabilia from the Dodge Viper and Plymouth Prowler, which were assembled at Connor, is being auctioned off to benefit the United Way for Southeastern Michigan. The internet auction closes April 13th. Information is available at the website shown. 468 FCA US dealerships have earned Customer First Award for Excellence Validation for 2018. The dealerships reached the highest level of customer experience recognition in 5 core areas: people, facility, processes, customer performance metrics, and training certification. It was Dodge versus Dodge in the Funny Car Finals at the NHRA Gator Nationals in Florida, and the race ended with Jack Beckman collecting his first Wally Trophy of the season. It was a fast weekend for Beckman, who claimed the #1 qualifying spot. He nosed out teammate Matt Hagan for the finals win with a quicker reaction time. The win moves Beckman into second place in the Funny Car standings, behind Hagan. Keep up with all the Mopar Dodge drag racing news at dodgegarage.com. Those are this week's top stories on FCA Replay. Reporting for FCA Digital Media, I'm Dale Jewett.